Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to create the horizontal card, and this is my fourth video of this series. So how to create these cards? To know about the how to make it, you have to watch the full video. So now let's get started. So are in the last video we have ended here. Okay. So now we are moving towards VS Code and starting from here. So this is our third section. So as we named it as sorry, yeah, third section. So we named it as the third. Okay, and create a div. So it is center it inside the. It is to using div. It is easy to center text inside the container. Div dot heading as we name heading desert, because we have to choose the specific name, more specific name. Okay, so now let's get started. So here we are named as desert. So here it is. We don't need here. I think I made mistake somewhere. Okay, okay. Sorry, this is not the place. We have to further move here. Control V and everything is now looking right. So we are not giving the height and width in this frame and using the dot third and dot third we are going to style it. Okay, so font size and font weight, it is a very common property. You have understand how to use it. So we are not wasting our time and moving it here, and as you see I am using h1 tag to center it. So to create it, but we don't here using this end. So everything we copied here, here and pasted here. Okay, font family, as you know, we are using the Poppins, and font style normal. Font style don't need here. Font weight is 400, font size 50 pixels, and line height 75 pixels. Color text line center and width is 290. Okay, everything is right. So here we created it. And we are going to give the width of 100%. And now desert is in center. Text line center. Why it is not working here? We are not in the right box, so we have to move it in the heading desert. Heading desert. We have to specify this. It is the inside the third container, so we have to write down the third, and another class we are going to use to target that container is the heading desert. Okay, so from here everything we are using, so copy and paste. Now as we use the 100% here, so we have to use it here also, and we are going to give the bg. Okay, so bg is black right now, and everything is correct. And we are going to use the display flex, align items, center, and justify content is also center. Okay. So here it is our div, desert div, and we have to make a margin from top. So here it is empty 30 px. It is now good, looks good. Okay. So to the our main and important container. So here we are. Okay. So we are going to use the flex box to create these four cards. So these four horizontal cards. So how to create these cards using Flexbox, and we also have the method to create these cards with the grid. Okay, so but in this video I'm going to create with it with Flexbox. So first we have to understand is how to create this. So we have to create these two cards. We have to put into a container. Okay, we have to put in a container, and in that we have to create. We are going to create two containers. One is holding the pastries and ice cream, and another is holding the cocktail and soft drink. Okay, so where I am, so here we are going to create a mm, div dot cards, desert card. Okay, deserts card, and this desert card dot third, because third is the parent container, and inside this container, inside third container, we have the desert card. So we are going to give the width 100%. Okay, and in this desert card, as we discussed, we have to create the two divs. So first div is named as upper div, or left div, as you want. So first div is named as upper div. Okay, upper div, and a second div is created as div dot lower div. Okay, and in each container we are going to put the two cards, two horizontal cards. So we are going to create the two horizontal cards with div named as div. So we don't need to create different classes, but we are create horizontal card here. Okay, and we don't need to create different classes. So horizontal class here, horizontal card. Okay. So here it is. So in this we have two containers. So we are going to use the div dot h card. Okay, and another we are going to create h cards. Sorry, card. This is our first. Okay, so we are named it. So here it is. Another div we are going to create the contour v, and it is our second card. So we are going to create the second card as named as second card. Okay, so control C whole thing and paste it here. And first we are differentiate from upper. We are going to differentiate from the other. So we have named as also. We have to change the name also. And every card have image and text. So first we put the image. Okay, and after that we have text. So we are not going to use the p, we are going to use the span tag because it is great. And src, we have the src. So, so here is our menu, the whole menu. We are messed it. Okay, now moving to the css. So where is it? Desert card. And desert card we have the, we have to simply format the document. Okay, and desert card, inside the desert card we have the desert card. Inside the desert card we have the horizontal card. Okay, horizontal. Okay, horizontal cards. Okay, and we are going to give that display flag because we have to align it in a row. So flag is a good way to do it. And when we create the display flag, now it's going to set everything. Okay, and this horizontal card we have to give the padding to the third. Okay, so we are going to give the padding padding around 20 from left. So 0 px and 50 px. 50 we are going to see. Okay, so now not good. So we have to first move the horizontal cards. Inside the horizontal card, we are going to target the our H cards. Okay, H card, horizontal card. Inside the horizontal card, we have the H card, and this is our another CSS. We are going to work on it, but we have to move it from image. So inside the H card, we have the image. Okay, and image we are going to set width around 30 px and aspect ratio is 1 on 1. Border radius 50%. So what is this property? Aspect ratio is the property to give the ratio. So we found we give the width. Height is already set according to width because we using the aspect ratio 1:1. And another method we also use the height out. This system works and border radius 50% makes it okay. So here it is. Everything is looks good. Matlab not looks good, but we are going to create it. So don't worry. So first we are here and another we are going to target the span tag also. So control V and tag is our span. Okay. So that is our span tag and remove it and this not looks good because third has the display flag and we have to give the flags direction because flags has the default direction row but we need in our column. In the third, this is the main section. Okay, this is the whole section which contains the pastry, ice cream, cocktail, and everything have the this section. Okay, so we are here third dot heading desert, dot third dot desert card and horizontal card. So here so we are creating these things. Okay, so moving so, moving forward, remove this background and working here. So in this desert card, okay, in this desert card, we are giving the display flag the time, display flag, line item center, justify content is space between space, justify content, space around. Okay, everything is set now. And another thing, one main thing, we have to give flags direction column. What is going on? I think it is going very messy right now, but I have to explain you why we are going to use it because we need to move it. We need it in a center. So I am now going to create the image. So now we are going to create the card. Okay. So how to create the card? So first we need height and width. So we just copy it from here. Every small CSS slide. Okay, and we are using it. We are using it. Control C and paste it here. H card. And what is these things? So margin 20 pixel width. You know about height is also your best known. Background is which does not need here and box shadow we have the x offset 0, we have the y offset 0 and blur 4 pixel and spread pixel and color is our black. Border radius around 5 pixels to round the corner and display flag because we need inside because we need everything in center. So we using the display flag justify content center and aligned item also center. And when we have to give the gap in the flex box, we using the gap property. Okay, so it is only working in So here everything is set. Our divs created now, and now it is the time to work on the image, which is not a big thing because everything we have the width height 105, border radius around 50%. So we have the 30 pixel. We have to move it from 100 and 5. Okay, now it's good. And we have the pay span tag, and we also styled it, and this is the space tree, and we are going to use it. Control C, span, Control V. Now this is our card, not this, but this is our card, exactly looking like the same as the previously one. So only a things which need to do is center everything. So how do we center it? Okay. So how do we center it? We are not giving it. Okay. And we found the solution. So we are not going to give the height of the third desert card container. So everything is set right now, and we creating exactly same looking cup. Thank you.